welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going I I did a model of the fire analysis of a reinforced concrete beam. In this tutorial I use the direct coupling method. It means in the traditional way, first we use the thermal analysis, then we will import the nodal temperature from the thermal analysis into the structural model, and Abaqus calculate the stress from that nodal temperature. But here I use the direct method, and the direct method calculate temperature and stress at the same time in one model, not two separate models. Let me replace here now the concrete beam and click on the contour plot shape. You can see this is the stress which is come from this temperature here, and this is the temperature, and this temperature is a fire temperature. See, we applied more than 1000 degree of the fire temperature, but here the Abaqus show the maximum at the bottom surface that we consider convection to apply the fire load, 610 degree, and it means the Abaqus, the concrete beam and the steel reinforcement inside that waste some of the energy and change that to the plastic deformation, to the displacement, and you can see the maximum temperature here. Also we can consider plastic strain, displacement, anything else, for instance the stress. Now let me remove the concrete and replace the steel reinforcement. Here the steel reinforcement also can experience the huge amount of the stress, then the temperature. See the temperature is around 470 degree. These are the longitudinal bar and these are the strength. They can be 3D model, and also we can use displacement plastic strain. We don't have plastic strain in the model, and let me use this view, make it temperature here, and now let me create a path from the maximum to the minimum. Here is the maximum, to the minimum. Now let me use this option, pass, and plot it. See, the maximum temperature here decrease along this path. You can see here, this is the direct method. We can use both structural and thermal analysis at the same time, but in the common method we use first thermal then the structural, but here we use it at the same time. So if you want to model the fire analysis by using direct method, come to our website www.abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorial here. This is the English tutorial with fully equipped thermal stress analysis, and click on title or blue sign. Then you will have title, geometry, assembly, the definition of the method, direct coupling or sequential coupling. Here we use direct coupling. Then the step interaction load and mesh, and at the end you can see the result as figures. The file contains CAE, INP English video and reference paper, also the material, and the cost for that is €30. We use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. If you have one of these ways, contact me to this email to tell you about the purchasing process, and if you have questions regarding to this tutorial, there I will be able to answer your question. Also we have a full package of our website here, more than 400 tutorials in all domains of the modeling and simulations, like explosion with all methods, impact, high and low for all the materials, We have it for many materials: welding, biomechanics, forming, crack, soil, CFD, fluid structure, thermal structure, anything else. You can see that in this package, and you will learn all thing about the modeling and simulations. The price for this package is so exceptional, and you can provide it easily. Before that, just send me an email to this address. By using this package, you don't need anything in Abaqus, because you will learn all things. Thank you for your